Today is the day after Thanksgiving, and in this non-traditional year, we did want to share with you guys what our typical holiday tradition is.
Yeah.
So we traveled to the hill country for Thanksgiving to see my grandmother. My grandparents are both from Kerrville, Texas, and it's a place that I have spent numerous years, and it's been a pleasure to bring my family along so they could experience it as well.
Yes, I had never been to the hill country before, Alex. I had heard of it, and it is just like it sounds, a hill country. It's hilly. It's not flat like most of the rest of Texas. There's the most beautiful rivers and lakes. The water's clear. It's so beautiful, you guys.
It's majestic. It really is, and it's a place that, you know, I've been able to bring the kids and take them down to the river, just like my grandparents used to do to me when I was a little kid. So take a look at this beautiful town that I'm proud to call a second home, Kerrville, Texas.
Our first baby turkey. I said 7 pounds, but it's really not. It's only 3 pounds. Look, it's in the oven. Our first baby turkey. So we're doing it a day before Thanksgiving in case I mess it up. We have time to run to the grocery store tonight and try again. And we will be having another Thanksgiving once we get home tomorrow. So yeah, wish us luck. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, hopefully everything turns out well. Very smart. You already knocked out the sides. Green bean casserole, stuffing is done. Mashed potatoes.
We have rolls.
Yeah.
I've made a cake.
Awesome.
I know that's not pie. People usually have pie.
We can go get a pie though.
Yeah.
Let's save us a little headache.
I know. I'm not that much of a pie person. I'm more of a cake person. So
I'm the pie person.
Yeah. So anyways, wish us luck. We'll let you know how it comes out.
We come up here probably about once a month when we can. This year's been a little different with everything going on, but we still find the time to get up here and see my grandmother and help her out as much as possible. But this little path right here we've taken goes down to the Guadalupe River, a path we have taken many, many times. My son and I have actually carved our initials in a tree. Shh, don't tell anyone. And we wonder if it's still there. But with all the rain, the beautiful weather, and just the natural beauty of this place, we always try to come down to this little spot here by the river at least once or twice while we're here. So we're gonna check this out. I'm gonna see if I can't show you guys just how beautiful it is.
Take me where your river flows. I wanna drive on your open road like the wilderness where we are born, singing whoa. There's an ocean in your eyes, a million million stars that paint the sky. So we'll drift down with the tide, singing whoa. You and me, let's fly away somewhere past the Milky Way. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Waiting for the sun to rise, rainy days and careless nights. Say you will, don't say goodbye, say it's alright. Throw your caution to the wind, the shelter of my single bed. You can call it Wonderland, we could stay the night. You and me, let's fly away somewhere past the Milky Way. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Riding on an endless wave, freight trains and aeroplanes. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up till we are home, till we are home, till we are home, till we are home. Don't wake me up till we are home, till we are home, till we are home, till we are home, till we are home.
So 4 years ago, my son and I carved our initials over here, and conveniently we have the same initials, AM. Can barely make it out into this tree, barely. May have to give it a refresh next time we're here. It is Thanksgiving today, this beautiful, somewhat cloudy morning, and we've got a long day in store.
Yes, happy Thanksgiving first of all to everybody.
Yes.
We wish you all happy Thanksgiving. In Kerrville, we're making Thanksgiving here. We'll be here till about what, lunch, like a little bit after lunch.
Yeah, probably another hour or two. That way we can have Thanksgiving with my grandmother before we make the 3.5-hour drive home to prepare another one.
To cook another. It's just what we do, you know. We didn't want to leave her home alone for the holidays, and we brought her masks. We're making sure that, you know, we're keeping her as healthy as possible, but we also wanted to share our love and our gratitude to our family and all of you.
We hope everyone had a wonderful, safe, and happy Thanksgiving this year. We want to say thank you to you guys for following us on this journey, watching these, you know, adventures that we're going through and traditions that we're trying to create for our family.
Yes, thank you guys so much for following along and being a part of, like my husband said, part of our journey. It really means a lot. It motivates us in ways that you do not know. It inspires us. We're recreating ourselves in the process as a family. So thank you guys, and we hope we're able to bring some light into your lives, because there's so much of that you bring into ours.
Yes, and in the comments below, let us know what are some family traditions that you guys have, especially in this, you know, non-traditional year.
Yeah, holiday traditions, because we are up for some good ones. And if you are a fellow full-time RVer with holiday traditions, please leave a comment below, because we want to know how you hide Christmas presents in the RV. Like, where do you put them at? Because
Yeah.
our kids are pretty nosy.
Very.
Anyways, thank you again for everything. We wish you all a happy holiday. Like,
Yes.
Alex
Happy, safe
said.
holiday.
Yeah.
You know, and as always, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
yeah, thank you guys so much.